It's English time! Hello kids, it's Teacher Vanilla. By the way kids, can you still remember the capital letters and the small letters of the alphabet? Great! So today, let us all remember the capital letters and the small letters of the alphabet. We will also remember what letter is the beginning sound of its picture. So come on, let's learn together. Let's learn the capital letters and the small letters of the alphabet. Capital A, small I, small I. I is for ice cream. I is for ink. Capital J. is for table. T is for tree. Capital U, small u. U is for umbrella. U is for utensils. Capital V, small v. V is for van. V is for vase. Capital W, small w. W is for watch. W is for whale. Capital X, small x. X is for Christmas tree. X is for X-ray. Capital Y, small y. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Capital Z, small z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. So kids, to help us remember more our capital letters and small letters of the alphabet, I want you to sing this alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Now let's review. Hello kids! Today we will be matching uppercase letter and lowercase letters of the alphabet. So, are you ready? Let's begin! Yes, you are right. B is for bus. Bus. Now, let's match capital C with its suitable picture. What's the answer? Cat. You're right. C is for cat. Next, let's match capital D with its suitable picture. What's the answer? Drum. Very good. D is for drum. Drum. Lastly, let's match capital E with its suitable picture. What's the answer? Egg. Very good. E is for egg. Egg. Well done, kids. Now it's activity time. So kids, for today's activity in Seesaw, you are going to match the capital letters and the small letters. You are also going to match the letters of the beginning sound of its picture. So, to begin this activity, just follow the instruction in Seesaw. I know you can make it, kids. Bye! Good luck!